It's Friday Souls. It's Friday Souls. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I made this week in my sewing room, please stay tuned. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. You have tuned in to Sew She Designs, and my name is Shalisa. This is Friday Sews. We would like to say thank you to Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room for creating this hashtag. So first, let's start off with MS Awareness Month, where each week I am trying to bring you a garment that has the color orange, because orange is the color of the MS ribbon. And I would like to bring a garment each week in awareness, to show awareness for multiple sclerosis. So this week is not a total orange make, but it does have orange in it. I used Simplicity 9789 to make view C, the pants pattern on here. I made two pair, but let's start with the pair with the orange in it first. This is made out of a knit fabric that, if I'm not mistaken, I got from Fabric Mart. Really cute. I love them. I'm going to put a picture of me wearing them up here. Let me move over. But these are they super cute. This is no notion for this view. I don't know about the others, but this view, this is no notions. You don't need anything. I did mess up, and I wanted to make sure that my waistband was sturdy, so I put interfacing, but I put the wrong interfacing. It's supposed to be the interfacing for knits that I should have used to make sure that it stays sturdy, but I can still slip it on, so it's not a total bust. I have a tag in the back, so I'll know which one is the back. But I like them. I wore them. I paired them with a green shirt. The thing I love most about it is the different colors. So I can wear this with white, black, green, orange, all the colors. So this is my So Orange for MS Awareness garment for this week. Now I also made these pants in a black. Let me show you the black. And I did a few extra things to them. I did not use the interfacing, because after messing these up, I noticed that I didn't need it. I created a pocket right here. So now the thing that I messed up on these was the hem, because this hem on these pants, this pair of pants right here, was like just barely touching the ground, and I wanted to bring it up a little bit, but I brought it up too much. So these are not quite touching the ground, but they do come to my ankles. But this is a nice pattern, guys. If you want a no notion wide leg pant, this is a nice pattern to try. Again, this was Simplicity 9789. Moving right along to another pattern that I tried this week. This was the Know Me pattern by Brittany J. Jones. This is ME2002. I tried the shirt. For the shirt, I started off with view B, the sleeveless version. And then I decided to make it with sleeves. So this shirt is an upcycle from a pair of pants that I created a few videos back, and I put a picture of me wearing the pants. I made the pants. I'm not knocking the pattern. Some patterns are for you and some are not. That's just not one for me. However, it was a very easy make, and I still recommend the pattern. If it's something that you would like to try, by all means, please try it. It was not for me. It just wasn't for me. And but I didn't want my fabric to go to waste, so I used my fabric and I recreated this shirt. I did decide against the sleeveless and went ahead to add a sleeve. The initial sleeve was too too tight, but I did notice on the pattern, even if you look at the pattern picture alone, you can see that it is snugging her arm pretty tight as well. So I don't think that there was anything that I did wrong, but I needed it to be looser on my arm, just because I don't want that snug feeling on my arm. So what I did is I took my sleeve. First of all, I cut off the bottom part to make it a short sleeve. I cut it the bottom part off at the lengthen or shorten line. Then I cut my pattern up, but not through to the top. And I just brought this out as wide as I needed to bring it. And then I added this panel to create a whole another sleeve. So that is how I came up with this sleeve on here. And then, you know, it was kind of balloony, which is what I was going for. And then I just put a little cuff at the end to bring it all in together. Now, initially, you can see from the pattern that it has like a slit opening. The size that I cut out, it wasn't working for me with the slit open. If I try this pattern again, I would make a bigger size, just because it was just kind of fitting kind of tight around certain areas. Anyway, to close up the slit, my initial the first set of sleeves that I cut out were the sleeves that were snug when I needed a new sleeve. So that's how I end up with the color blocking, because I didn't have enough of this fabric left to do the new sleeve. But the old sleeve was perfect for putting down here, and I hope you can see it. And I inserted it right here to make the piece to fill in the sides that was open. So that turned out really well. Then after I put that in, then I hemmed the shirt, and it was good to go. On the back, I should have a picture where I'm showing you the back. When I was cutting out, it went up into the, I want to say, a pocket of the pants that I was using to recreate this shirt. And so it left me with like a hole up here, and I just kept the hole and created these ties. So on the back of my shirt, I have this little tie, and it just turned out really cute. I like this. I like the shirt with the pants right here. They go really nice together. I feel like that's a nice little something I can zhuzh up to go to church in. I really did. I am really satisfied with how this turned out. That is all that I made this week. I did order a couple of patterns that I'll share with you really quickly. We won't go into any details because I don't want to hold you guys long, but let me get those patterns so I can share with you what I did pick up. So like everyone else, my Joann's have been very slow in getting the newer patterns in. And I don't know, it's my guess, I would think that Simplicity is trying to hold them out as long as they can so you can buy it from the website. I don't know. But I did manage to find the new Know Me at one of the stores. It's like 35 minutes away from my house. So I did manage to find that. When I got there too late because one of the patterns that I want was just gone, completely gone. So that must be like a favorite of everybody's. And so I ordered that from the Simplicity website, as well as one Butterick that I was just not ready. I wasn't going to wait to get it, and it was on sale for $4.99. So I just went ahead and purchased it as well because it's a pattern that I really want. Because you know that I'm on this pant kick to find the perfect pant for my body. So I'm going to share with you what I picked up from the Simplicity website. The Butterick that was on sale, these were $4.99. I picked up Butterick 6973. I'm hoping this will be a nice pant for me. This one is going to include a zipper. So I can't wait to try that. That's Butterick 6973. I got it. I have purchased it for this view. I'm not this, I love these on other people. I just feel funny because from my knees down, my legs will always be like a size 6, no matter how big or small I am. And I just feel like I look funny with these on, but I love to see other people wear these. But for me, I'm just going to get view. I'm using this for view A. The pattern that I also went to purchase during the McCall's and No Me sale that was gone was the McCall's 8456. I cannot wait to sew this up. This is similar, actually similar to the pants that I just created. That is one of the reasons why when I was filing my patterns away and I saw that, I was like, oh, this is similar, and I might not have went ahead and purchased this had I seen that pattern, but I had already purchased this. And I really like everything on this pattern. I like all the views, and I'll probably just take my time to make all the views. I really like it. 8456. This is Gwen's pattern. We're going to say Gwen. And don't forget, guys, when you see the little QR code, that means there is a sew along for this. But I think this is a really, really super cute dress. This is an average to sew pattern. And I can't wait. I really want to do this in denim. I think this is really, really cute. I also purchased the No Me pattern. I can't wait to make this. I will, if I had it out, I would show you guys. But I have a brocade that I purchased for this pattern, and this is ME2065. This is Erica Bunker's pattern. I am loving this blazer, and I have a hack idea that I would like to do for the back. So I'm really looking forward to making this. The only thing is, I don't know if my brocade is, I don't know, I got to see how lightweight it is, because I would really love to make this for an event that I'm going to. But we'll see if I get it done. I'll share that with you guys. I also purchased Lydia Naomi's pattern, ME2068. This looks like a nice casual dress. When I went and looked at the line drawings, that's really what sold me on this. This is an average to sew pattern, and I'm looking forward to making this. This is a cute shirt dress. I also picked up this McCall's cargo skirt skirt pattern. This is McCall's M8452. If I'm not mistaken, Raven Maureen has done a sew along on view C, which is probably the view that I will do. Really cute. And I picked up No Me Sins of Many. This is ME2071. I'm just feeling this whole thing, and when I get it together, I think I'm feeling this whole thing for myself, actually. Especially the vest. I'm loving the vest. So I'm feeling like I do some things with this vest, but I don't know. I like his designs. I always grab his patterns. Whether I use them or not, they will be in my stash. But those are all of the patterns that I've managed to pick up. Like I say, my store, like many other stores, have not been getting the newer patterns in. Not even the early spring patterns were taking a long time to come in. So I'm assuming it'll probably be a sale or two before we get the spring patterns. Not sure, but I will be on the lookout for those as well. This week, I do know, guys, that Simplicity is on sale for $1.99. With Simplicity, sometimes you can catch New Look for $1.99 as well. Just depends on the pattern, I'm assuming. With that being said, guys, I am so glad that you tuned in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. That will help this channel grow tremendously, and that is my goal. I hope that you guys are having a great day. As always, you are so special to me. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.